Hi, Jerht Santos here of the Coach PH. Remember to click the subscribe button to be updated with our latest videos.
Our insurance policy is also subject to estate taxes.
You have to assign an irrevocable beneficiary, okay, for your life insurance policy to not be subject to estate taxes. Now, that's the requirement, no? So if I were to, again, let me share my screen now. So this is just a simple comparison, no? For example, if example lang, no, the client saves 2,778 daily. Okay? So in a year, ang na-save niya 1 million. Okay? Kunwari, i-convert mo, i-breakdown mo to daily, no? So makaka-save na siya 1 million. Pero pag nagkaroon ng mga unforeseen events like disability or worse is death, no? All those will be, kung disability siya, which will require care or cure, it will force the person to withdraw from the bank, no? Kung death, worse, it will be subject to estate tax liability. So sa 1 million, 6% of 1 million is 60,000. Okay? Ngayon, kung sa example, no, life insurance policy, mas maliit siya for 500,000, in a year's time, no, kung 1,389 daily yung kanyang breakdown, kung magkaroon ng disability, a lump sum of 6 million will be given. This is a simple quotation lang, ha. So with certain with certain parameters, like the age is I believe this is at age 30, if I'm not mistaken. So the younger a person is, the better, no? Kasi kapag mas bata ang kliyente, mas mura pa yung mga charges niya. Ngayon, kung death, which is the worst case, for, let's say, the cause of death is due to natural causes, 6 million will be given for tax, to cover the tax. Let's say the cause of death is an accident. So usually we design it in such a way na doble, no? So 6 million becomes 12 million. Kung due to accident yung death, then you are able to create new wealth. Nabayaran mo na yung tax na 6 million, meron ka pang bagong 6 million na ibibigay sa family. So that's how we design plans for our clients.
I think that's the benefit of having an insurance policy. Na I remember like a mentor telling me before, get insurance more because of the insurance, not really the investment. Parang cherry on top, parang bonus na lang yun eh. But this is something that I think that people need to consider, yung estate tax. Estate taxes are something that we need to talk about because one might have a mistaken notion na, let's say in the case of death, everything will go to my family, which is true, but you need to settle with the first heir, which is the state. That's something that you mentioned. We talked about a lot of things in relation to estate taxes. You also mentioned about the irrevocable benefits. No? Why does it have to be irrevocable as opposed to revocable?
Kung irrevocable kasi, ibig sabihin, the client or the estate owner in this case is assigning a specific person as the recipient of the insurance proceeds. So that's the only stipulation in the law being required, no, for an insurance policy to not be included in a person's estate when a family experiences a death, no, which is the worst thing that could happen. You don't wanna penalize eh. Namatayan na nga, di ba? So, bakit mo pa itatax? Yun yung isa sa mga rational why insurance proceeds are not taxable. Okay? Because, syempre, ayaw mo naman i-penalize eh, naka-experience na nga ng hindi maganda, di ba? Or kunwari, nagkasakit.
Next question, Ms. Florence, is there like a limit in terms of the beneficiary proceeds? The insurance coverage, for example, is more than, let's say, 2 million. Meron bang amount where mas rigorous yung process?
Wala naman, no? Because yung application period pa lang eh. So at the time of application, well, I can speak for at least I can speak for my company. Our application process is usually stringent, no? Kasi we ask our clients for proof of financial sources, yan, no? So, sa start pa lang, medyo stringent na para pagdating sa claim, mas mabilis, no? So, at least based on my experience, no? I've had claims experience like what I shared with you earlier. And kung maayos yung process, especially sa application part pa lang, the claims portion should be much easier and mas smooth siya dapat. So, di ba nga may sinasabi, the easy way at the start is easy, but in the end, it's difficult. So, you would rather na submit to compliance at the onset para wala kang maging problem later on.
So you're saying with your company, an insurance policy that has benefits of, let's say, 750,000 or 1 million, all the way up to 10 or even more, has the same process of claiming?
Siyempre, mas stringent, no? If you have at least, kasi the Insurance Commission, which is what regulates the life insurance industry, it has put in place certain sanctions. If your sum assured or your death benefit is already, say, at a minimum of 3 million, may mga additional requirements na yan
Okay.
na hinihingi. More so kapag mas mataas, no? So there have been instances, kailangan pa yan ipa-approve sa regional office namin, sa Hong Kong, sa Singapore, pabalik-balik yan, no? So that's how we help our clients. So kailangan medyo trabahuin din talaga nung insurance consultant. Both financial and medical. Kasi the factors that we consider are health, age, and syempre the financial capability. Kasi for example, say you have, example lang, a clerk asking to be insured for 10 million, the company will begin to ask, commensurate ba yung kinikita niya sa babayaran niya? Kasi kunwari kung 10 million, siguro mga at least siguro mga 200,000, depende sa plan, no? Siguro 200,000 the annual yan, no? For how many years? So tatanungin mo, commensurate ba siya? Kasi we submit to Anti-Money Laundering Act, no? So we want to make sure that we protect the interest of the company also.
Next question, Ms. Florence, would be, in relation to estate taxes, what are other questions that I should have asked you that I didn't ask?
Basically, you covered naman. Siguro, one thing that estate planning, which is defined as the detailed and systematic study of the personal and financial assets of a person, no? Because you want to maximize for the family. Maybe meron kasi tayo mga tinatawag na testate and intestate, no? Kapag sinabi mong testate, ito yung mga nasa last will and testament, no? Sila yung mga in-identify mo, ganitong anak ko will get this much, my wife will get this much. So holographic will, no? Usually that's what stands. When you say holographic, sulat kamay. Because it means that lucid yung tao na sumulat ng last will and testament niya, no? And do you have to do this even if bata ka pa naman? Yes, no? Kasi you don't know naman. Most people think kasi yung last will and testament lang para sa mga medyo may edad na. It's not true, no? As soon as you have assets, sulatin mo na yung last will and testament mo. And the one thing also that for your insurance policy that allows you to do that is you identify, similar to a last will and testament. Hindi mo siya pwedeng i-contest kasi choice nung tao to assign how much and for whom yung benefits ng insurance policy niya. So in that sense, medyo pareho sila. In the event na walang last will and testament or walang insurance policies, intestate laws, no? Meaning ano ba yung sanction ng gobyerno will take effect.
Thank you for your time, Ms. Florence. For the viewers who would like to contact you for further questions when it comes to estate, how can they contact you?
Yan. So you can contact me there, no? I'm also managing my own team already. If you are interested also to do this as part of your advocacy, no? Kung kunwari may mga sa viewers natin who are interested to be a financial consultant, no? Reach out to me and I'd love to mentor you so we can help serve many more Filipino families.
Thank you very much, Ms. Florence, for your time. I really appreciate it. And viewers, I hope you learned something new. I hope the video was able to help you answer the question, what will happen to your investments or to your assets when the inevitable happens? Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Remember to pound that like button if you learned something new today. If you have any questions in this video, please feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button and see you on our next video. God bless you.